Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can actually set an alarm in your iPhone 16e. How you need to do is just go to your clock section here, just tap on it, and under the clock section, if you see that there are three on the bottom of the app, there are three areas: the world clock, the alarm section, the stopwatch, and the timer. You just need to go to the alarm section here, and after going to the alarm session, an interface or like this will come up. Once this interface will come up, you can set up your alarm by clicking on the positive sign here, and you can set your alarm for the next day or any day like this in your pattern, from repeat to alarm, like sound what you want to, or any further details which you want to put in. So that's how you can actually set up your alarm in your iPhone 16e. I hope this video helps you out in putting up the alarm. If you like the video, please like the video, share with your friends. Until next video, bye bye.